Hi everyone, today with me I have this frames set. It comes with 15 frames and I already used most of them. They're absolutely amazing and gorgeous and I really love the color all the way around. They're all 8 by 10 and my favorite part is that they have covering protective film on both sides of the plastic that goes in front. What does that mean? Whenever you're about to put in a picture, that's when you remove the protective covering and then that's when you put your picture so you can avoid getting any debris, little dirt or hair stuck in there, and it gives you this nice and even look. It looks amazing and looks super crisp and fresh. I absolutely loved using these for these little posters I found for my home office. They are super funny and definitely fit perfectly in there. What I really love about these frames as well is the back of them. As you can see, they are pretty easy to open. All you gotta do is pull the little tabs up and you get full access to the front, and you can go ahead and put whatever pictures you want. And to hang them up, you also have the hooks right there. They're already embedded in. Really simple and easy. And you have the little kickstand that allows you to put it either vertically or horizontally. So you have all the choices in the world when it comes to hanging pictures. I absolutely love these, and I think that I love filling my house with pictures, with little posters like this, which you can also find on Amazon. And these frames are the perfect fit for me. So check these out on Amazon. They're definitely a must-have.